Greetings, Crawler fans. Today, we're stepping into the dungeon to bring one of the most beloved characters from the Dungeon Crawler Carl series to life, in miniature form. Princess Donut herself. Starting with a 3D print, I'll be painting every royal detail from her lustrous fur to her iconic accessories, transforming a plain model into a figure worthy of a galactic fame. Whether you're a fan of the books, tabletop miniatures, or just watching paint bring a character to life, you're in the right place. So bring your paints, summon Mongo, and let's see if this miniature is fit for royalty.
This is an outrage!
And there we have it. Princess Donut is officially ready for the dungeon. This was a fun project and a great chance to bring one of my favorite Dungeon Crawler Carl characters from the page to the display. Let me know in the comments what you think of the final result and which character you'd like to see me paint next, Mongo, Mordecai, or someone else entirely. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future miniature painting projects, diorama, cosplay photography, or any other hobby content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay creative, keep painting, and I'll see you in the next one.